It's great to have you here for this episode. AI is everywhere these days. Students, professionals, founders, researchers, all using it.
Yeah, it's wild how common it's become. But I've been wondering, are we really accomplishing more with AI or just, generating more stuff?
Exactly. That's the key question. AI can spit out answers instantly, but real accomplishment, that needs clarity, structure, and human judgment.
Right. And that's what this episode is about. Moving from random AI prompting to something more conscious, more intentional.
So let's talk about what most people do. They open an AI tool, type a quick question, copy the answer, and move on.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes it works, but often it just feels impressive without really changing anything.
Yeah, I've seen that. It's like polished vagueness, right? Because AI just amplifies whatever you put in.
Exactly. If your thinking is unclear, AI just makes that confusion louder. And if your goal is vague, you get, well, polished vagueness.
And the risk is, if you don't judge the output, AI ends up making decisions for you. That's a bit scary.
Totally. The real limitation isn't AI's ability. It's our own human structure and clarity.
So what's the solution?
That's where AIYING comes in. It's about accomplishing with AI, not just prompting or generating.
I like that. And it's built around a simple rhythm: thinking, asking, judging. They call it TAJ.
Yeah, thinking means being really clear about what you want before you ask AI. Like, instead of write something about marketing, say, help me create a 3 point pitch for early stage investors under 200 words with one compelling hook.
That's such a good example. It's so much clearer and focused.
Then comes asking, structuring your prompt with clear constraints and success criteria.
And judging means treating AI's output as a draft, not the final word. You refine, challenge, and improve it.
Exactly. It's a partnership, not a replacement.
So why does this matter now?
AI is getting more powerful every month, but as it does, human judgment becomes even more important.
Like in the early internet days, information became abundant. Now intelligence is abundant.
Right, and when something's abundant, what becomes scarce and valuable is clarity, judgment, and structured thinking.
So AIYING is about upgrading our thinking, not competing with AI.
Exactly. And here's a simple practice to try. Before your next AI session, pause and ask yourself 3 questions. What outcome do I want? What constraints matter? And how will I judge if this is good?
Then prompt AI and critically evaluate the output. What assumptions did it make? What's missing? What needs refining?
That shift from random output to conscious accomplishment, that's AIYING in action.
I love that. And to close, if AI becomes 10 times more powerful, will your thinking automatically become 10 times clearer?
Probably not. Technology doesn't upgrade judgment. Practice does.
So AIYING is that practice, a disciplined rhythm of thinking, asking, judging.
If AI is here to stay, conscious AI use has to become a daily habit, a living discipline.
Well said. That's something worth practicing every day.